Now, the price of Terra Luna Classic has been following the overall cryptocurrency market very, very heavily over the last couple of days, and that's because the overall cryptocurrency market is really what is controlling things. If you look at the economy right now, it is cracking down. Although we did have some pretty decent interest rate decision announcements from the Federal Reserve yesterday, we'll go over those here in a second. We've got a lot of uncertainty when it comes to the cryptocurrency market in terms of what the SEC is going to do. The SEC really cracking down on Coinbase right now. Of course, that's affecting the price of Terra Luna Classic as well. But if you're looking for a silver lining, Ed, in this AI project, or this AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning integration into the Terra Luna Classic blockchain could be something special that we have not seen yet. So let's discuss that. Let's talk about crypto. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your asset, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet and mitigate that centralized exchange risk. Guys, we have got a ton going on in the cryptocurrency space right now. And just to go over a couple bullet points, we're going to talk about the SEC and Coinbase briefly. We're going to discuss the interest rate decision and how that's hopefully going to affect cryptocurrency. And then we're going to discuss the project that Ed has going on with the Terra Luna Classic AI integration. So one of the most recent articles about Coinbase is warned by the SEC of potential securities charges. Wow, who would have guessed this was ever coming? Key points from this article: the SEC issued crypto exchange Coinbase a Wells notice warning the exchange that identified potential violations of U.S. securities law. Coinbase said that the warning wouldn't mean any changes to the exchange's current products or services. Nice, man. Somebody taking a stand. Now, the notice is the second warning from the SEC to the crypto entity after February's notice to stablecoin issuer Paxos. And we don't need to go through and read that entire article. Coinbase, their shares are down heavy today. We're seeing a big pullback in some of the cryptocurrencies that are out there. And what this boils down to is the SEC is not willing to offer any regulatory clarity. The SEC is not willing to regulate the cryptocurrency market. They are doing so through enforcement. And this regulation through enforcement it doesn't make any sense. You know, Coinbase, the lawyers for Coinbase have stated several times that they have reached out to the SEC asking for some guidance. What they do when they list a cryptocurrency like Terra Luna Classic, which has been removed from their platform, but what they do when they list a cryptocurrency is follow the Howie Test. And the Howie Test is what the SEC uses to determine whether or not something is a security. Coinbase says that these are absolutely not securities, and the SEC offering no additional, clarity and no additional regulation as to what a security would be or why they have problems, but they are willing to sue them and let a judge decide. It does not make any sense, the way that the SEC is cracking down on crypto right now, unless, of course, it leads to one path: total ownership. The SEC wants total ownership of the cryptocurrency market, and I don't know if they'll get it or not, but I know that they're not going to stop until they've attempted to obtain 100% ownership of the cryptocurrency market, and these frivolous lawsuits are evidence of that. So, Terra Luna Classic is the growth is going to be stifled as people are uncertain about the future of cryptocurrency and uncertain about some of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Now, I don't know if Coinbase can pick up and move to a different country. I don't know if the US is just going to get left behind. But what I do know is the SEC is not making this easy, and they're not welcoming innovation. Now let's take a brief look at what the Federal Reserve did yesterday and why we've got the stock market up today, but cryptocurrency kind of in limbo right now, not knowing where to go. The SEC, the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell yesterday announced a 25 basis point interest rate hike. This 25 basis point interest rate hike was what was expected by the markets, but perhaps the more important information was that this could be the last interest rate hike. It is the last one that they have planned. Unless, of course, something happens and they need to go in there and hike rates even further. Now, Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of the major cryptocurrencies out there are kind of sitting on the sidelines right now because of the SEC uncertainty. But if they stop raising interest rates, we could be turning back to a risk-on environment once they begin to lower those interest rates. So things like Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, shibainu coin, some other major cryptocurrencies out there could turn to do very well if the interest rates come back down. Why? Because if you're in competition, you make a couple percent in the stock market, you make a couple percent in the crypto market, or you can guarantee yourself a few percent in bonds, CDs, bank accounts, and so on. The prudent conservative investor, they're going to guarantee themselves that return going to a bank account. So right now, we could be at that very pivotal moment where Terra Luna Classic begins to turn back around based on interest rates turning back around. And I don't know if this could happen at a better time. If you look at what's going on in the Terra Luna Classic blockchain right now, we are on the forefront of what could absolutely be not just one of the biggest projects Terra Luna Classic has ever taken on, but the entire cryptocurrency market. We've got Ed Kim, one of the lead developers out there, or was the lead developer on the Layer 1 team. Now he's chosen to go on his own path and work with this machine learning type of a deal. If this is successful, okay, it could pave a way for decentralized blockchain authorities to revolutionize the AI type of machine learning sector. And we know how successful AI and machine learning has been over the last couple of months. And this blockchain integration with Terra Luna Classic could take it to the next level. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, there's a lot hitting Terra Luna Classic on the head, trying to drive it lower right now, but the community rallying behind it is always trying to drive it higher. I want to know what you guys think about Terra Luna Classic down in the comments below, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.